Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Let's talk about protein. We hear it everywhere. Protein is essential for good health. But why? What makes this nutrient so powerful? Let's break it down. Protein is like the building block of your body. Imagine tiny Legos, but instead of creating toys, they're constructing muscles, bones, skin, and even your hair. But it doesn't stop there. Protein is a multitasker extraordinaire. It plays a crucial role in producing enzymes, those tiny helpers that make countless chemical reactions in your body possible. It also helps create hormones, the chemical messengers that keep everything in sync. And don't forget about oxygen transport. Yes, protein even lends a hand in making sure your cells get the oxygen they need to function properly. From building and repairing to transporting and communicating, protein is involved in countless processes that keep you going every single day. So remember, when you're fueling up on protein, you're not just feeding your hunger, you're investing in the very foundation of a healthier, more vibrant you. Muscles, and more the protein-powered engine inside you. Let's talk about muscles, those incredible tissues that allow you to move, lift, and conquer your day. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or simply enjoy a brisk walk, protein is your ultimate workout partner. Why? Because it provides the building blocks your muscles need to grow stronger and more resilient. Think of it this way. When you engage in physical activity, especially strength training, you're creating tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers. This is a normal part of the muscle building process. Protein steps in to repair these micro tears, making your muscles stronger and better equipped to handle future challenges. But protein's role in muscle health goes beyond just bulking up. It's also crucial for preventing muscle loss, especially as you age or if you're cutting calories. By providing a steady supply of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, you can help maintain your muscle mass and keep your metabolism humming along. So whether you're aiming for peak athletic performance or simply want to maintain your strength and mobility, remember that protein is the fuel that powers your internal engine. The power of protein fueling your metabolism and managing your weight. Ever noticed how you feel more satisfied after a protein-rich meal compared to one loaded with carbs or fats? That's because protein has a unique superpower. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This magical effect is attributed to several factors. First, protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, which means it stays in your stomach for an extended period, signaling to your brain that you're not hungry. Second, protein helps regulate the hormones that control appetite, keeping those pesky cravings at bay. But the benefits don't stop there. Protein also has a higher thermic effect of food, TF, compared to carbohydrates and fats. In simpler terms, this means your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does breaking down other macronutrients. So, by incorporating more protein into your diet, you're not just managing your hunger cues, you're also giving your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction, making it an invaluable ally in your weight management journey. Section 4. Strong bones, healthy heart, protein's role in overall wellness. We often associate calcium with strong bones, but did you know that protein plays a crucial supporting role in bone health? It's true. Protein aids in calcium absorption, ensuring that your body can effectively utilize this vital mineral to build and maintain strong, healthy bones. But protein's benefits extend far beyond your skeletal system. It's also a key player in maintaining a healthy heart. Studies have shown that a diet rich in protein, especially from plant-based sources, can help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Furthermore, protein can contribute to improving your cholesterol levels. By increasing the levels of good cholesterol, HDL, and lowering the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, protein helps keep your arteries clear and promotes healthy blood flow, reducing your risk of heart problems. So remember, when you're prioritizing protein, you're not just building strong muscles and bones, you're also nourishing your heart and paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant future. Section 5. Age gracefully with protein, maintaining vitality in the golden years. As we age, our bodies undergo a variety of changes, and maintaining muscle mass and bone density becomes increasingly important. Sadly, age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is a common concern. The good news is that protein can help. By providing the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, protein helps combat sarcopenia, preserving your strength, mobility, and independence as you age. And it's not just about maintaining physical function. Adequate protein intake is also linked to better cognitive health and a reduced risk of falls, common concerns for older adults. But protein's benefits in the golden years go beyond just muscles and bones. It also plays a critical role in supporting a healthy immune system, which naturally weakens with age. By ensuring your body has enough protein to produce antibodies and other immune cells, you're giving yourself the best defense against infections and illnesses. Thank you for tuning in. The content here is for educational purposes only and should not replace your doctor's medical advice. Remember to like and subscribe to support this channel, and always check the links with additional resources. See you in the next video.